Welcome to Beninadal 2024.
0. De la Plaza Beninadal.
Beninadal officially begins in Benidorm town from today on with this gorgeous start of firework and confetti. We are celebrating Christmas, New Year, Three Kings Day every single day up until 7th of January. Every day, midday and evening time, you will be able to come here to enjoy everything that it has to offer. Ice skating rink, artificial one, different types of attractions for children and adults, Christmas fairs and Christmas markets, different types of shows, musicals and dances, great drinks, glühwein and much, much more. For every single age, this place is perfect for the celebration. Thousands of people from different countries, including national and international tourists, locals, everyone gathered here. Even people with small children, older generations, everyone are enjoying this day. It's first time in years that we've seen Benidorm's Town Hall Square as busy as it is right now. Gorgeous firework from both parts. In front and on the back there were fireworks and sparkling lights, confetti, a lot of it for children to play and for everyone to enjoy. This is incredible. From this moment the concerts will start and everyone are waiting for the fairs and different types of attractions to turn on the lights. The Christmas tree is already on. Oh my God, it is snowing in Benidorm. Every single child, even adults, are saying, "Oh, it's snowing." For the first time ever, Benidorm brought artificial snow to start the Christmas celebrations. People absolutely love it. Children love it as well. This is such a great start of the Christmas celebrations. It never snows in Benidorm town, so having a lovely, authentic looking snow here in the center of it, look at this. This is pure magic. Benidorm did something that none of the surrounding areas did, and people love it absolutely. This is pure magic on Christmas holidays. It is snowing each time more and more, as you can see. That is an authentic snowfall. This is incredible. I think they've put an extra canyon on top of it, of the town hall, because it is going stronger and stronger, and it does look like authentic snowflakes, doesn't it? If you wouldn't know this is Benidorm and this is artificial snow, you would say it's actually snowing in the place that we're showing to you today. Wow, this is so lovely. On the back we have the Christmas tree. This is where we'll be heading on right now. Then don't worry, we'll back to the fair. We'll show you everything that it has and all the prices. This is the Christmas tree. So many people walking towards the fair. Oh my goodness. And the Christmas tree is gorgeous. This is an authentic Christmas tree. This is how it should be looking like. Authentic tree dressed up for Christmas with Christmas lights, with guirnalds, with different types of ornaments. Other cities mostly have structures that are looking like a triangle tree, but this is true magic. This is how it should be looking like. All the lights on the way up towards the fair are turned on. The small Christmas market is also here, put in place, and the only ones left to turn on the lights are these ones. This was interesting, and it's not melting, as you can see. Special, definitely. Christmas celebration in Benidorm town. Never in the history of Benidorm we've had snow to begin Christmas holidays. And this year, for the first time, they actually did it. This is a huge point for this city because no other city here in the area actually did that. Welcome to the Christmas fair. Here we have, as usual, like darts throwing to gain up some prize. We have a lot of guirnalds and Christmas lights. This is looking gorgeous. There's a lot of people, obviously. This is the first day, starting from tomorrow and the day after. The upcoming days, it's not going to be as extremely busy as it is here today on. This was the grand opening, the celebration. You know, people wanted to be here for the countdown, for the fireworks, but it's not going to be as bad for all those of you who are introverts and don't want to be in a big group of people. It's not going to be as bad, we promise you. Here on the left and on the right side, we have some teeny tiny markets. On the right, for example, we have market for children's toys or different types of accessories, bracelets, etc. The handmade toys for children too. Different types of dolls. There's these like Sony angels, which were very popular in Korea for some time. Now they start being popular here in Spain. On the left side, we have also some handmade jewelry. Different types of hats, scarves, if you wish to purchase any of these. And now the lights on the fair are on officially. On the right side, we have some cocktails. Cocktails, 6 euros. Hot wine, 6 euros. Hot chocolate, 2 euros only. That's not bad at all. Here is where people are taking out Christmassy cocktails, hot chocolates, coffees, wines, etc. Then you have a glühwein, which is like a typical one. Plus, they also have some snacks here and different types of refreshing drinks. Salchipapas, which is fries with small pieces of sausage in it, with some ketchup, mayo, mustard, etc. And then the fare for children. Huge giant roast potatoes that are stuffed with different types of ingredients of your choice from 6 euros a piece. Churros with chocolate right there on the back will be working non-stop whole year. Grinch right here, we can see him present. We love Grinch personally. And here you can see him slightly closer. I love it. It's fun for children and it's fun for adults because a lot of us are fans. There's children's attractions here that are also working. Plus, we have the stage where performances will be held throughout the whole entire evening. Right by the stage, you can see the amount of people that are actually here. This is bizarre. This is insane. This is probably the busiest Christmas that we've seen in Benidorm for probably this last decade. And people keep arriving non-stop. Children's attractions like these ones is called Coco Bongo. It's like a jungle attraction. For children, you have the crashing cars on the right side. And here you have the ice skating rink. 9 euros per person, cash only. This is very important. If you don't have gloves, it's going to be, I think, 2 euros extra. And if you want like dolphins, the ones that you can push for those who do not know how to ice skate, these ones are 2 euros, but obviously you have to give it back. It's like a rental. This is what all the fair is looking like. There's a lot of people here today, definitely. It's the busiest day that you will see it, and people just keep arriving because a lot of people did not know this is happening right now. This is opening up right now. They've seen the fireworks from the far. They've seen probably the noise. They've heard the music, and they decided to come here closer. Now we will be heading towards the center, right by the techno hit, to see what's happening out there. And boy, there's a lot of cars. Everyone are stuck in traffic right now. This is bizarre. We've never seen Benidorm so collapsed before. It is absolutely insane. All the cars, all the traffic, everything stopped right here next to the Christmas Square by the town hall. There's so many people around. This is authentic Benidorm alive, even more than in summer, definitely. What we would say. Let's head to the square by the techno pit and see what's going on out here. It is exactly as busy as we thought it would be. Ooh, and even touristic buses are here right now. Whoa, it's gonna be a long ride with so many people and so many cars nearby. The triangular square situated right next to the techno pit is also right next to the shopping alley, which is on our right side. There's Zara nearby, there's Mango as well. Different types of jewelry places, very nice ones. Shopping alley in general that has a lot of different businesses. This shopping alley has the typical, authentic, and traditional by now rings of lights. These ones right here that looks like a tunnel if you see it from the front, because there's 3 different colors. Look at this. This is the center of shopping, the center of all the gatherings. Nearby we have Starbucks that is also full. People are getting, as a special occasion, the typical traditional, more or less, Christmas drinks from Starbucks, fancy coffees and fancy drinks in general, hot chocolate, etc. And here we have, for the first time, right next to the 3 kings, that these years they allow children to get next to them, because previously it wasn't possible, but now it is, to take some pictures. For the first time we have this huge centuries ficus tree put up with Christmas lights. This is very nice. There's more statues here, snowmen, Christmas lights are hanging like candy canes, big globes, shiny globes are hanging. It's just such a special atmosphere here in the area. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video. Wish you great future holidays. Lovely holidays if you're here in Benidorm. Enjoy the fair. Enjoy everything that Benidorm has to offer. We'll see you in a new video. Bye, Dees.